Welcome to Kings Branch Estates in Mobile, Alabama. This is one of the Adams Homes communities. I love the open floor plan. This home features 4 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's brick on all 4 sides and is over 2,300 square feet. Come on in, let me show you around. You have a breakfast nook here by the kitchen, which overlooks the covered porch. Stainless steel appliances. An island looking over the living area. You have granite countertops in the kitchen and in the baths. A nice size walk-in pantry. This is a split floor plan. You have a formal dining room here by the foyer. There's luxury vinyl plank throughout the living room and only carpet in the bedrooms. You have a hallway bath with dual vanities. The formal dining room is just off the foyer. On the way to the primary suite, you have a coat closet and a mud area here. Here's your laundry room, which leads out to your 2-car garage. The primary suite features tray ceiling. The primary bath has granite, as we mentioned. It also features a soaking tub. You have a nice size walk-in closet here and a freestanding shower. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today to find out how Frankie Wink leverages virtual tours, social media, and YouTube to get you the most money for your home. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.